Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Canon Pixma IX6820 printer reviews and related products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 4, we have the Canon Pixma IX6820 wireless inkjet business printer, bundled with its color ink pack. This printer is tailored for small business users who need high-resolution color printing for presentations, photos, or marketing materials. The IX6820 supports wireless printing and boasts a maximum color resolution of 9600 by 2400 dpi, ensuring crisp and vivid output every time. The design of the IX6820 is professional yet compact, fitting easily into most office spaces. With an input sheet capacity of 200, it can handle moderate print jobs effectively. One standout feature is its ability to produce borderless prints up to 8 by 10 inches, making it perfect for graphic designers and photographers. The bundled ink pack adds value, allowing you to start printing immediately. However, the printer lacks duplex, double-sided printing and advanced features like scanning or faxing, which limits its functionality to printing alone. Additionally, its price is not specified, which could vary depending on where you purchase it. With a recent release date, September 2023, the IX6820 is a solid choice for professionals looking for high-quality prints, but those needing multifunctionality might want to explore other options. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Canon IP8720 wireless printer. This model is perfect for photography enthusiasts and those who want to print stunning high-resolution images from home. It features a 6-color ink system, including gray ink, which is uncommon for printers in its class, ensuring top-notch black and white images and vibrant color prints. With a remarkable maximum resolution of 9600 by 2400 dpi, your prints will have incredible detail and richness. The IP8720 is designed with large format printing in mind, capable of producing images up to 13 by 19 inches, great for posters or large photos. Its wireless connectivity allows you to print from any Wi-Fi-enabled device, making it easy to use with laptops, tablets, or smartphones. The build is robust and sleek, measuring 23.3 by 13.1 by 6.3 inches and weighing 18.6 pounds. The downsides: it's a single-function printer, meaning it doesn't support scanning, copying, or faxing. Additionally, the lack of automatic duplex printing might be a deal-breaker for some. Customer reviews are solid, with a 4.1-star rating, making it a reliable choice for creative professionals and hobbyists. While not the most versatile on the list, the IP8720 is unbeatable for high-quality photo printing. At rank number 2 is the Canon Pixma TR8620A, an all-in-one printer designed for home offices and professionals. This premium model includes a copier, scanner, fax machine, and auto document feeder, making it a versatile choice for users who need more than just printing capabilities. It supports wireless printing via AirPrint, Android, and Alexa integration, which allows voice commands for seamless operation. The 4-in-1 functionality is complemented by a high-resolution print mode of up to 4800 by 1200 dpi. The TR8620A is sleek and modern, with a large LCD touchscreen that simplifies navigation. It accommodates 200 sheets across dual trays, making it suitable for heavy workloads, while the automatic duplex printing feature saves paper and time. The print speed is decent, with 15 ppm for black and white and 10 ppm for color prints. It also supports borderless printing up to 8.5 by 11 inches, perfect for photos and brochures. On the flip side, the price point of $199 might feel steep for budget-conscious buyers, and its size, 17.3 by 13.8 by 7.5 inches may be a tight fit in smaller spaces. With a 4.1 star rating, this printer is ideal for professionals and families who need robust functionality and reliability in a single device. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the compatible ink cartridges replacement for Canon 250, 251 XL, PGI 250 XL, CLI 251 XL by Easy Ink. While this isn't a printer, it's a vital accessory for Canon Pixma users, offering incredible value at just $19.99 for a 15-pack of high-yield ink cartridges. The package includes 3 PGBK cartridges for text printing, 3 black cartridges for general use, and 3 each of cyan, magenta, and yellow for vibrant color printing. The ink quality is excellent, producing crisp text and vibrant graphics comparable to OEM cartridges, but at a fraction of the cost. With page yields of up to 600 for the black cartridges and 350 for color cartridges, this set is ideal for users who print frequently without breaking the bank. It's compatible with a wide range of Canon printers, including the Pixma IX922, IX6820, MG6620, and IP8720. The downsides? These are third-party cartridges, so while compatibility is high, some printers may display warnings or require extra setup. Additionally, they don't include gray ink, limiting their use for advanced photo printing. With a stellar customer rating of 4.6 stars and nearly 22,000 reviews, these cartridges are the ultimate budget-friendly option for Canon users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.